Our love is strong every day. Remix healthy grassy picture planes. I am glad I'm not colorblind. Blue the sea, ocean deep. No rocks will ever come between. Swirling ripples of this loving kind.
Hi guys and welcome. This is me, JBO, singing vegan mum. Well, it is Easter. I'm going to make Caribbean spice vegan Easter bun, just like my mum made it, but without the egg. Thank you guys for continuing to stay in your houses, looking after our families. In fact, it's Good Friday today and the weather was beautiful, it was lovely. But we all have to stay in just to keep safe. There are people out there that are losing their lives because of this coronavirus. Let us stay home, let us stay safe. Now before I carry on with this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I need to get my numbers up now. Shut up. Can't you see I'm working hard here? Every 2 days, another recipe. Of course I'm at home, so why not? But hey, share and tell everybody about me. I'm making nice food. Let's get into it. I had run out of strong white flour, which is what my mum used to make it with. And it literally, I went to about 6 shops. I went to Morrison's, I went to Aldi, I went to Asda, I went to small shops. Then I went into, one little small Tesco's. And there was white flour, but it wasn't the strong white flour. So I'm going to do it with what I can get, which is just normal plain flour. But the strong white flour is better because it's got more gluten in it, so the texture is a bit better. But we'll see how we go with this. Here are my raw ingredients. So I have a whole lot of the flour that I told you about, and it's going in. So we're going to add all the dry ingredients first. So to our flour, we're going to add some nutmeg. And I'm going to be very generous with these things. Allspice, which is a little bit of everything really. So we're going to add lots and lots of allspice. That's going to make it very nice. Ground cinnamon, vanilla. And then I'm not going to add sugar. I'm going to add agave. Yeah, instead. This is going to add some salt. I've got a mixture of raisins and all sorts there in there, so that's going in too. I'm trying it as usual. I'm always trying to make things a little bit healthier for my dad. And you could use butter, but I'm going to use olive oil to our mixture. Oh, I should have mixed all the dry ingredients together actually, but never mind. So I'm going to put that all together. And then because I am not using brown sugar, because the brown sugar would have given it the colour, what I'm going to do to give it the colour is I'm going to add some browning, which is literally just colour. So I'm going to be quite generous so that we get that nice dark brown colour. I have some plant milk, and I'm going to add to that a nice generous teaspoon of yeast. Now my plant milk is slightly warm, lukewarm, so that it will activate. I'm going to add in there. Now we're going to simply make it into a lovely dough. So I'm mixing it all together to make a lovely dough. Already it smells beautiful, all those spices. As you can see, I'm giving this a good old knead. Get it all together. Feels slightly warm because I'd warmed plant milk. I'm going to take it out. Flour. Here we go with the kneading. Quite a lot of raisins in there, but never mind.
Why do I think of you in colours orange, yellow, blue? I can't get you off my mind. Red as blood.
So now my kitchen is pretty warm, so it'll encourage the bun to rise. And I'm going to cover it and come back half an hour, 45 minutes after it has proven and risen.
Feeling strong and the pale blue of the sky. Red hot love.
This has risen beautifully. Look at that. Woo! Just a little bit of brown sugar in a bowl, in a pot, should I say. Add some hot water. So I'm going to make a little bit of a syrup out of this. I'm just going to go over the bun. And then guys, we've got a lovely syrup now. Just going to spread it over. It's Good Friday evening. my mum would have already made batches and batches of bun, sending it to the church, sending it to my cousins in Brixton, sending it to auntie this and auntie that. So I'm very late. So I'm going to give some to my dad, some to my siblings, because I can't eat all of this. And I'm not sure if the boys are going to like it. Well, this sort of glaze makes it beautiful and shiny. And I'm very pleased with it. I'm very, very pleased. It's like 1 in the morning and the bun, after kneading it and proving it and putting it in the oven, it is ready. I think my mum will be looking down from heaven going, yes man, I saw me show her how to do it. Even though mine hasn't got the egg and I replaced the sugar with agave sugar, I'm always trying to find the healthier options for my daddy. He loves sweet things. Here's a taste test. I haven't done any cheese because do you know what? I haven't found any vegan cheese that I really like. So I've just put some vegan butter on mine and I want to taste it. You can taste the spice, of course the fruit, and it's not too sweet. I'm sure Dad will still feel that he's eating bun. I'm pretty happy with that. So guys, before I go, don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, I'm trying to build my YouTube followers. If you like my videos and you want to be notified every time I do a new video, please hit the subscribe button and that will be brilliant and it will get my numbers up. I hope you enjoy your Easter during the coronavirus lockdown. Love to you and all your families. Please stay at home, stay safe, hug your families, or if it's just you at home, hug yourself. Stay blessed and I'll see you again next time.